They took thousands of spent brass bullet casings, and instead of throwing them away, they smelted them down and pulled them into usable copper wire. Watch this entire process from shell to spool. Step 1. The smelting furnace. The brass casings are fed directly into an open fire reverberatory furnace. Temperatures hit over 1700 degrees Fahrenheit past the melting point of brass. The zinc burns off first, leaving a copper-rich melt. That open flame you're seeing, that's the zinc vapor igniting. Once the melt is ready, they ladle the liquid brass into flat slab molds. Crude by modern standards, but effective. The slabs cool into rough billets, which is the raw feedstock for the next stage. You can see the oxidation layer forming on the surface as it cools. Now the hot rolling mill. The brass slab goes back into the furnace to reach working temperature, around 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, then feeds into a multi-pass rolling mill. Each pass between the hardened steel rollers reduces the cross-section and increases the length. They are working it down from a half-inch slab to a thin strip in multiple reduction passes. After rolling comes wire drawing, the most satisfying part. The strip gets tapered at the leading end and threaded through a tungsten carbide draw die. A mechanical draw bench pulls it through at high speed, reducing the diameter with each successive die. Cold drawing work hardens the wire, making it stiffer and stronger with every pass. That work hardening makes the wire brittle after multiple draws, so they anneal it. The coil goes into the furnace for a controlled heat soak, then gets quenched in a water bath. The quench locks in the softened grain structure. Now the wire is ductile again, flexible enough to coil without cracking. Final stage, the finished wire, the coros, gets spooled onto a coiling rack. What started as a pile of spent rifle brass is now continuous copper alloy wire, ready for electrical wiring, jewelry, or hardware manufacturing. Zero raw material wasted. Every single casing recaptured and reformed. Follow Pro Build Hacks. We find the most insane manufacturing processes on the planet so you don't have to.